Good morning, everyone. I am deciding to start a new video for my channel this year. I am going to try and do a little bit of vlogging as it relates to me doing meal prep for my family. Today is Sunday, and I normally try to do it on Sunday. I'm not sure how I'm really going to fit it in, as it relates to activities because I have a meeting this evening. Actually, I have two meetings that are going to conflict with each other. So, and then, there maybe a possibility of me going to church. This morning, I decided to do church, online. So I was still able to listen to the message and witness the worship service. But, I'm just going to have to see how I want to fit this in. But I'm planning to try to do this going forward. So we'll see how it works out. I'm going to flip the camera around so you can kind of see what I am doing thus far. Okay, here we are. I was about to put the first dish in the oven, and I remembered I did want to do this video. So here we go. This is what we have for the first meal. I'm gonna try and do 5 meals. This is chicken with bell peppers and onions on them and seasonings. This is for the children because I'm not sure if you guys know, I do not eat meat. Haven't eaten meat in 10 years. So with that, I'm gonna add this cream of chicken um, on the top of the chicken once it's done cooking and go from there. And I'm also going to do some shrimp with pasta. I'm going to do a little different. Instead of spaghetti with, the ground beef, I'm going to do spaghetti with the, sauces, the two red sauces, and shrimp. We're going to use shrimp. So that'll be a second dish. I'm going to try and do 5 meals so that I do not have to cook during the evening. Okay, with those meals, I'm going to also add in some corn on the side. And it's not in no certain order. I'm not sure what. And these green beans. So they're going to be side items on the side of these dishes, but I'm not sure which one is going to go which. My children love pasta salad, so I will be using these noodles to do the pasta salad. I also have the Olive Garden dressing that they use on. It's very simple. It's just the noodles. It is the Olive Garden dressing and it's shredded cheese. That's all they like on their pasta salad. I normally want some tomatoes, maybe some onions and bell peppers and some olives, but I can do that in my portion. Also, these baked beans will also be a side item. And instead of doing macaroni and cheese, I'm going to do the bow tie noodles this week. And I will be doing the bow tie noodles with the pork chop. And I'm probably going to do barbecue pork chop with those noodles and one of these vegetables. Then they love hot wings, so I'm going to cut these wings up and make hot wings with the pasta salad. So I will come back in with another clip as I get further into this process. Okay, I am back. As you can see, I have that tray there in the oven. That is the chicken I just showed you. That's going to become cream of chicken. Now we're going to be doing some baked pork chops. And I thought I had some barbecue sauce here. I do not, so I am just going to improvise because I am guilty of frying a lot of foods. And a lot of times I fry my pork chops and they will eat them. But we're going to try and do things a little bit different. So we got the pork chops. They're going to be baked as well because I am going to have to fry the chicken to do the party wings. And also I am going to fry my fish. I will eat a baked fish or like a salmon and that kind of thing. But I'm a good old Southern girl and I like my fish fried. These are whole croaker fish. And it's 3 left in here, so I'm going to fry those whole. Me and the oldest daughter, we love eating whole fish right off the bones. Fresher to me and tastes better. This is tilapia pieces that I will cook for the younger two and kind of slit those in half. And this dish is going to become fish and rice, I think. Like I said, I'm just kind of going through and, just kind of get a feel for what I want to do. And once these dishes start to cook up, then I will figure out what sides I'm going to put with them. But I just want to come on and give you another small clip of what was going on. All right, everyone, I am back, and as you can see, I have the meals complete. All right, in this first tray, as you can see, also I did do a color coordination with the children, so that they all three will know what their tray is. And I also think this is a plus because they get to eat whatever they want on whatever day. You know, everybody don't have to pull out the same container, eat the same thing because you've only cooked one meal that day. So I think meal prepping has its positives. So here we go. First tray, we got the lemon pepper wings with the pasta salad. Next we have, what is this? Baked pork chops with baked beans and the bow tie macaroni and cheese. Next we have the spaghetti with shrimp in it and the green beans. And last we have one of my mom's favorites. She used to like to cook her chicken this way. It is drumsticks with cream of chicken topped over it on a bed of rice with corn. And the chicken has onions and bell peppers in it. So there you have it, guys. I also did not film the fish. We can walk over here and look at it because it is still thawing out. So that's what I'm gonna cook for today. I got it all, you know, in some water, and it's almost thawed out. So I got my oil on low, so once I get it all milled up and seasoned up, that will be ready to go. Let's see, I try to keep my kitchen pretty clean as I go through this process. That's my oil over there on. And see, as you can see in my sink, I do not have those pots and pans that I did cook with because I try to clean as I go forward. What else? Oh yeah, and then of course you know there's going to be leftovers when you're cooking pasta dishes. So this is the pasta salad, which I think is a plus. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator just that way, so that if they want to eat that with the fish today instead of this rice, because see I have rice over here also that I was cooking with the fish for today, and they also have an option of some of that bow tie macaroni and cheese, so that's good to have those extras left over. As for me, I'm going to utilize the green beans, the corn, and then we still have some. I'm going to eat these too. I'm not sure if it's going to be for dinner, for lunch at work next week, whatever the case may be. I do have those options. Then we had a few wings left over that could not fit in those trays. And see, like I said, this extra food is a plus because let's just say they want to come in today. They're not back yet from spending time with Dad over the holiday, and they want to eat twice. They can pull out some of this extra food and not have to, you know, go into their dinners that they have here for the week. These dinners are for after school because at school they do have breakfast and lunch. So this is next week after school. So we pretty much got it all done, guys, and I'm going to end this portion of the video so that I can turn the camera around and finish off the video. Okay, guys, as you can see, that is my meal prep. It is a little warm in here, and I do have a couple of takeaways from doing meal prepping. I started at 10:30, okay? As of right now, 10:30 is when I started in the AM on Sunday. As of right now, it is 12:39. Let's go see if I can show you what time it is. I'm gonna have to just turn the camera this way, that way we won't have to turn around. So there we go, 12:39, guys. So exactly, if you don't believe that's my stove, let's look at the microwave. Still, it's 12:39. So that positive is it does not take long to prepare like 5 meals for 4 people, which a lot of people will see that as being overwhelming, but it didn't take long at all. You know, if you can get some things going in your oven and you have your sides going on top of the stove and you just kind of, you know, go through that process that way, then it's not too much of a task. Also, I use, remember, I don't know if you remember seeing through some of the clips and the videos, a lot of these trays here. And I think going forward, because when I used to do meal prep, I didn't use the trays. The what are these? The aluminum, trays. I think I'm going to add that to the mix because once I'm done with those trays, I can throw them away. I cooked the chicken, cream of chicken, mushroom, and cream of chicken, chicken in one of those pans. I cooked the baked pork chop in one of those pans. I got the fish in one. I just did the pasta salad in one. So see, those are things that we can throw away. They are like $1 for all different sizes at the Dollar Tree. So I think I'm gonna add that. Now, did I use other pots and pans? Yes, I did, because I just couldn't use the aluminum pans on top of the stove as it relates to cooking the side items. But that's pretty much another tidbit of information that I think is worth adding to this video. I will be using those. So there you have it. This is my first meal prep session for the year of 2020. And that's all I have for now. This is Dr. Mommy Budgets, and we are utilizing this meal prep because we are still on a budget, and we will continue to be on a budget. So I see this as a valuable part of your budgeting going forward in 2020. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. Share this video for those that may be interested. Other than that, this is Dr. Mommy Budgets, where we dream big but start small around here. So I will see you in the next video. Peace. Okay guys, I want to hop back on here real quick because I forgot to show you how I actually store the items. So this is how the meal prep containers are stored. They're on one row, all 12 of them. Actually, I can get, if I was cooking for all 5 days, I could have gotten 5. So I could have gotten 15. That's one row of the refrigerator. They're all stored in. They can just grab those items and eat. And it really doesn't affect the rest of the refrigerator because you still have your 2 bottom trays, your middle tray there. You have this tray where your eggs are on your top tray. So we still have a lot of room in the refrigerator, although we've stored all the meals for the week. So I just wanted to hop on there and show you that. Peace out.